Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Today I'm gonna share with you a birthday mail that I received from my friend Chloe. She is leadfood86 on Instagram, and I'm gonna link her profile. So she sent me this box of goodies for my birthday, so let me jump right in. So she made this beautiful card for me with this craft paper and this flower. Beautiful card. I love the color of the craft. She added some bling here. So thank you, Chloe, for the card. It's beautiful. And I'm gonna keep it, of course. And she sent me a bunch of goodies for my birthday. So let me just put the box aside and show you everything she sent me. So she sent me this Let's Get Together. So she's from Australia, and she picked some goodies that you can find anywhere else from the Reject Shop, I think it's called. And she sent me this like birthday party themed paper pads, and she sent me the entire collection. She sent me also the stamp set to make like invitations. A huge pack of ephemera. So here are the ephemera. So let me just open it because I'm gonna have to store them anyway. So just put that here. So here's the ephemera. The colors are beautiful. They're bright, perfect for the summer, for the party, and you get 2 pieces of each. And here's all the ephemera. So you get 126 pieces of ephemera. I'm just gonna put them back here because I don't want to lose any of them. Here we go. So this is the ephemera, and then she sent me the floral. So the flower ephemera that goes with the collection. So here are the flowers. You get leaves, and again, very bright colors. I love the colors, and the size is perfect as well. The flowers, I love the colors. So there's a second pack of ephemera. Then she sent me the flowers, beautiful paper flowers. Look at these colors. Love the stickers, the puffy stickers, all heart-shaped, super cute. She sent me some flower clips. Perfect. And the best part is that I don't have access to these goodies because they I mean, I'm not even sure that they can ship overseas. A pack of rhinestones. Look at these for Halloween. Great. And oh yes, look at these colors. And look at these gems. How gorgeous are they? Thank you so much, Chloe. I love everything, and there's more. Well, actually, for the next, I asked her to pick some stuff for me. So let me show you. So this stamp set with the little birdie that comes with the collection Daydreamer that I asked her to pick for me. And You have the sticker book. So these are more like pastel colors with the glitter. Gorgeous. The ephemera pack with all of these ephemeras right here. So let me just put these aside first. Here. And so this is the Daydreamer. You have the Alpha. Beautiful. The layered stickers. So you get 8 nice big pieces here. This is the sticker book from the Let's Get Together collection. So this is with this one. So you have 5 sheets here, and the washi, look at the washi. It's gorgeous. Love, love, love. So this is the washi that comes with the collection. How beautiful are these colors. And she gifted me the 12 by 12 papers. So you get a bunch of these. Look at the colors. Love, love, love. And you get a bunch. Here we go, all the pinks, the blues, the teals, and the floral. Gorgeous. Love, love, love everything. Thank you so much, Chloe. I am so happy with this is my very first birthday gift. So thank you so much, Chloe. I love everything, and you guys definitely check her out, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.